Hey friends, so I haven't been vlogging so much today because I was busy cleaning this room, guys. Because sayang naman, I'm really been wanting to clean this room and use this room, so that's why I'm busy this morning. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you a little progress. It's just very little but well, hindi pa ako tapos. I'm going to get plants doon sa kasi dinala ni mother yung lahat ng plants sa sa bahay ng pinsan ko. So I'm gonna get plants there and hopefully I'm gonna put it over there. If you're going to enter, ayan na yung mga maleta on this area where all the new stuff. Yan. And this box here is the Christmas tree. And a lot of boxes pa rin sa taas. But all the stuff that are not been used, nandyan. And then, if you're going to enter, I already removed and clean here. But I still need to move. Diba? Ang laki. And I need to hang curtains too. So, gagawin ko yan later. So, yan. There's Roki's toolbox. And that bike and stationary bike will be kept kasi gagamitin niya ni Roki and he will be angry with me if I'm going to remove that one. So, I decided that I will be doing my thing on this area. So, diba yung table na to, nandyan yan before, but I transferred it here because I really like the window here. If I'm gonna sit here, it's mahangin, so I transferred it here and medyo nasira na siya kasi hindi siya ginagamit and sometimes kasi dito siya nilagay guys and sometimes umuulan and the window's not closed so nababa siya yung legs, but we'll fix that. It's nothing it's not something that is not fixable, so we're gonna fix that and hopefully this is going to be my cleaning area because I really like the light condition on this room. So there's my light and I'm planning to put the organ back there and that is Ashi's guitar. So yeah, I already cleaned but I still need to mop and clean the walls because it's pretty dirty. Ayan, with all the fingerprints and stuff. So that's an update for this room, guys. Hi friends, I'm finally done. I haven't vlogged anything since yung nag-video ako while I'm cleaning. Yeah. I did not film the rest of the cleaning and arranging because it will take me forever to finish if I'm going to film it. So, yeah, it's already dark outside, guys. Oh, yeah, and I'm gonna show you the finished product of this room. Finally, I did it. I have cleaned and slightly decorate the room. Ganito muna for now, but I'm gonna show you what we accomplished today, our finished product. So after a long hour, guys, I've already finished partly cleaning and decorating a little this room. So, andyan pa rin yung bike at ni Roki tsaka yung stationary bike kasi he'll get mad at me if I'm gonna get rid of it. So, wala din naman siyang other place na mapaglalagyan pa for now. So, as is muna yan. So, we will be sharing this room. This is my area and this is her area. So, from here, guys, if you enter, andyan yung on this side, andyan yung guitar tsaka organ na shashi, and I also put some side table here, but I don't know, I don't have anything to decorate here pa. So this is going to be my filming area side. Yeah, at least medyo it's not that much for now, but at least medyo presentable naman siya when I do video. So that is my logo made by my sister Sharon, but I don't know, this is not her original design, but hopefully she will do another or make another design for me, hopefully. So yan, nasa center yan, and then I only put few from this desk kasi I don't want anything cluttery, guys. As much as possible, I want it to be minimal. Yeah, because I don't like wiping the table. Ayokong nag-wipe ng table na matagal kasi if you have a lot of small pieces, it will take a lot of time and it will gather a lot of dust quickly. So yan lang yung, and then yung sa baba, yung toolbox ni Roki, and I also hang some curtains. I like the gray one, so this is my favorite curtain. I always use this one. And that is my filming area. And we also put, me and mother also got some plants. This is mother's plant, so diba, useful siya dito because it adds to the room when you have green inside. So minimal lang tayo. And then on this corner, still Roki's corner, and his our stationary bike, and hang a curtain. So too bad we don't have light on this area, I don't know. And he has his bench when he is, I don't know what he do with his bench, basta yung nag-exercise siya. And I also transferred our printer and our computer area here so that I could be able to, after I film, I could be able to edit or do some office stuff here at the same, on this same room. So those are my lights. The others are still inside the cabinet. So yan, sa labas. And I don't have a chair. The only chair that I have right now is this one. So okay lang yan. You don't need a new chair for now. So for now, I need to make use of what I have. So yeah, so this is going to be the office area, gym area ni Roki, my filming area, and music area. I'm planning to hang my welcome light somewhere over there, but yeah, hindi pa talaga. But I don't want to hang a lot of things kasi nga I don't like a lot of things. I want it to be minimal lang, guys. So this is a very long one. It's already 4 minutes. So yan! Yay! Mission accomplished! I think mag-good night na ako, guys, kasi I am so tired already. It's already dark outside, and yeah, I wanted to take a shower kasi I feel so sweaty and sticky and yucky kasi it was so dusty here. Yeah, napudpud yung kuko ko guys sa kakalinis. So yeah, I think it's time for me to say goodnight, and I hope you had a wonderful day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep the smile. And thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.